Alright, welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed the last 3 lessons. Today we are going to continue with the lesson number basis, and right now we'll be in period 4. Period 4 is application of binary numbers, binary system. Now I told you that binary numbers are numbers in base 2, just like we have denary number, and number in base 10. Now binary numbers find applications in computing. For example, it is used as machine language in computer coding. So you see that before all these programmable language came out, there's what we call machine language, which is just a series of zeros and one typed into the computer to communicate with the computer. So binary numbers are used in coding. Now binary numbers are also used, number 2, in punch card, and number 3 in punch tapes. Punch card and punch tapes are used to store data in the 20th century, in the early 20th century. For example, punch tape is a form of data storage. It consists of a long strips of paper with holes. So the holes represent the 1, and then the no hole area represent the 0. So these are used to run machine like teleprinter. These are used to run teleprinter. That's punch tape. While punch card is used to control some other machine too. This one is like a card, like your ATM card, but what is on it is just zeros and not zero area, and these are used to store data. But so far these two are not in use. The punch card and the punch tape are not in use any longer, but coding is still. Even we have high level programmable language now. When you write the program in, let's say, Excel, for example, you write a program in Excel. What makes the computer to understand that program and implement it and give you the answer is that there is a compiler that compile this and convert it to binary number, so that computer will understand and give you a feedback. So you see that without binary number there will be no computer. Alright, so that is the application of binary numbers. Now let's go to equation in binary number. We just solve one. You see how we solve equation in binary number. From there we wrap up this topic. So let's solve equation. Let's call that example let's call that example 5, which is the last example. Solve the equation two 1 base n is equal to 1 1 1 base 2. Now this is base n and this is base 2. We want to find what n stands for. To solve this kind of equation, all you need to do is convert both sides to base 10. So we say solution. We have 2 1 base n on the left hand side and 1 1 1 base 2 on the right hand side. So let's convert this. To convert this, we number it 0 1. To convert this, we also do the same thing. We number it 0 1 2. To expand this side, this will be 2 times n. N is the base raised to power 1 plus 1 times n raised to power 0. So this side will be 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So n raised to power 1 is n times 2. That gives me 2n. N raised to power 0 is 1. Remember, any number raised to power 0 is 1. So n raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is still 1. So we'll come to this side. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 1, 4. 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. So that gives me 2n plus 1 is equals to 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 7. So this is adding. We take it to this side, it will subtract. So we have 2n 7 minus 1. So 2n equals to 6. So we divide both sides by 2. Divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2. 2 divide this, we have n. 2 divide 6, that's 3. So therefore the base is 3. So this is example of equation in number base. It's so simple, right? So that is where we'll stop the lesson now. Please proceed to the assignment. Assignment be given on all these things, including the topic, the area we covered in period 1, 2, and 3. Do it and check your result, and God will give you understanding. Remember to download the notes and watch out for lesson for week 2. Please don't miss any of this lesson. If you miss anyone, go back to it, listen to it attentively, and make sure you understand every concept. Where you have problem, you can communicate me on the comment section. Thank you.